So yeah, got me some K&N filters. So I really got it, not really for like performance, but really just anything better for the car, basically. Yes, you know, somewhere down the road, you know, get 3-inch intake, cold air intakes, but I mean, that's for later on. But for right now, I mean, you can't get anything better than this, like build quality wise, just how long it lasts, and apparently gives you a power boost. And really what I'm excited for is the MPG. I mean, I know it's not gonna go up a lot, but I mean, honestly, if this thing could give me better MPG, then I'd just be satisfied as fuck. One thing to live by, man, if you can save money, then save money. But yeah, let me just get into it. I mean, should I really make an install video? I mean, it's literally called in a drop-in filter for a reason, because this hole just drops in, so. So yeah, this is what I got it in right now. Flimsy, cheap looking. Right, like why would you even spend the extra dollars on a better one? In the box. Got your extra horsepower stickers right here. Hell yeah, brother.
Yep. If it starts. Okay, well, give us a call.
So currently, copyright. So currently getting 18.3, and as you can see, I'm at a little under quarter of a tank. So gotta go pump some gas. The car's already warmed up. I drove it earlier, so as you can see, up to operating temp. So I'll be like, you shouldn't let the car warm up before you drive it. Whatever, bro. Switch to the GoPro. You know, let's not risk it. Let's not risk it for the biscuit. And yes, I put the GoPro on my mouth because that's the optimal angle that everybody likes. So here we go. Oh no. Oh crap. Oh, it's not bad. And yes, I'm using auto rev match because I'm a lazy ass motherfucker. Okay, I could do it myself, but honestly, why work harder? I work harder, guys. They put it in there for a reason, so we're gonna fucking use it. This might be a little awkward. We're gonna take the GoPro out and video everything. No, I don't want to have a seat. Leave me alone. Hello? Alright, now let's wait 10 years for this whole to fill up. BRB. I mean, I can kind of show y'all around my car. 2015. Got summer tires in the back. Oh, it's done. Tour is over. Well, 2015. 50,000 miles on it. 52. Look, he wanted black, and look, he didn't want it, just cause like keeping it clean wise. What's up, guys? It has been a couple days. I just wanted to drive the car a little bit more. So this is the MPG I'm getting now. Getting 20.2, and I drove 420 miles. So yeah, I just wanted to drive more to get a more accurate reading on this. You know, I didn't want to drive it like 50 miles and be like, yo, I get like 25 miles to the gallon. No. So yeah, I'm about to go meet up with my girlfriend right now to go have some lunch. So I'll just switch to the GoPro, and I think it's better if I talk more while driving. I think it's kind of boring when I'm just sitting here talking. So yeah, let me warm up my car and then I'll switch to the GoPro. Alright, so I'm in the car on my way. Yeah, I just wanted to give a little review on how this car is now. MPG wise, it's great. I mean, it was at 18 point something, 0.4, 0.6, and now it's at 20.2. So I know it doesn't really matter that much because I don't beat on this car, but I do step on it a bit. I mean, who wouldn't? Who wouldn't? I know what y'all thinking. Y'all like, why don't you just strap the GoPro to your head and talk while driving? I don't have the little strap thing for my head. I just have a little mount that I bite on, and it gives me that pretty good point of view. Really pleased, really happy about the results. I mean, I knew I was gonna get an MPG bump and a little horsepower bump, and I'm kind of happy about that. I mean, 18 MPG, 20 just sounds way better. Like you see this car, you're like, you get 20 miles to the gallon combined, of course, not like all city, all highway. But anyways, yeah, K&N Drop filter, highly recommend. Even if you're not into speed or anything, like, it's just good for your car. You know, why not just have better quality in your car so it can last longer and stay healthier? That's just the gist of this video. I mean, I don't know what y'all were expecting, like a huge like horsepower gain, be like doing pulls. I don't even have an exhaust on my car. Thank you guys for watching. I mean, if y'all like these kind of videos, let me know. I can do like I can get the little stupid head strap put in my head, and I can like talk about my goals for this car and like, you know, goals, you know, like what I want to do with it, future like modifications and, you know, improvements. Yeah, I definitely have a lot in store, a lot planned, but if I don't have a lot of people watching it, then like there's no point of me recording it. I'll just do it for myself. But yeah, thank y'all for watching. A like would really help my channel grow. You don't even have to subscribe. If you just like it, I'd be happy with that. I really appreciate y'all for watching for like the 5th time. I'll catch y'all on the next one.